Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. My electrician guy came by. He had some transformers and buckets of who knows what. A lot of capacitors. Almost a whole bucket full of fuses. Box full there of more wires. All these transformers down here. All these transformers. Some boxes. So yeah, we got a lot of sorting to do, and I don't know if I'll set up a time lapse or what, but we know where Dennis is going to be for a while, out here in the shop. So yeah, I'll try to set up a time lapse and see what we can work out here. We got that mess cleaned up. Got a bunch of buckets full of shred. I didn't do anything with these with this bucket of fuses, but I did open up that one of those boxes there. Look at this fuse, man. And these are copper going into there, but then I'm really not sure if this end is copper. It doesn't look like it. So I think I'm gonna do a separate video on ripping apart some of these fuses. See if that would interest you guys. So yeah, it's crazy. There's the stack of transformers that we got, and there was 3 that were aluminum, and then all the rest of them were 1 copper, 1 aluminum, which kind of really sucks, but what can you do? So yeah, you know what I'll be doing, cracking those babies, trying to get the copper out of them. And other than that, I guess, I decided to had all kinds of these, and some 1/2 inch connectors and 3/4 inch connectors, and they're brand new. So I put them in a little fireball bucket. Now I just got to figure out where I'm going to put the fireball bucket until somebody says, hey, can you wire my garage? Or something like that. So yeah, other than that, I think I'm getting a little chilly out here. So I think you guys should start watching the video that's on screen right now.